application, Juma. Your application. Mercy, Juma, the application. Ade. One pebble. And I will see me so. Message say, we must say me yo. I never say me yo. What? I don't really say. Me yo run it. One pebble. Sorry. Nemo. Come on, Tom. Come on, my Tom. The person move. Na na. No move. Who be am there? Ka be una there. Ah, hwe wo fofo mrantie kube egu kentem sika da so. Wo betim compare na da ko. Sesi anasa. Enya djuma. Enya djuma. Sebi. Ayalefo mpo si ye djuma jei. Ayalefo wo mo ye djuma akure o ha me wate. Adai. Wo ye jichichi wo beti sesi man. Adai. Hwe. Saga na wudi na chi. Ah, wo to ma wudi ye. Ah, nti wo pese wo ye wiase hwe wo pebele na ate wo. Enti wo fisa ga wo be wal. Wo su ampo he wo pebele na yibi. Wo ka sakole wo be wal. Ha? Wo ye waje yo nti wo pebele na wo ti wo na wudi saga na chi. Me so ke me kam se na se. Ti ma bi be di no. Ja wo kai. Nti mi nya na hwe ma. Wo si dia. Baby. Now, are you going to tell me what really the problem is? Huh?
You know what? My joblessness is frustrating me, baby. Seriously.
Are you sure that is all?
What else could be? You know you are my source of happiness. You are all that I've got, baby. That is all.
But sweetheart, I thought I have told you times and times that you shouldn't worry yourself over this job issue. Baby, I know,
baby. Can you imagine this? My mates are out there making it big. They were and I'm still here doing nothing.
There you go again. I have told you 1,000 times that you will get a job. You will surely get a job. Don't you trust in God? Sweetheart, with God all things are possible. Just have faith in Him. Come on.
I know that. You know, sometimes it becomes too frustrating. Too much.
No, everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Smile. I'm not smiling. Smile.
Cause I am who I am. There's time for every single thing. Time to play and time to work. Will not change cause I am who I am. Save me.
Omane is mwetewo. Omame is mwetewo. Omana nyamyato nsafra one. Wana no nyimusa Israel where yo is mwetawo enkan wesre ko wesre na myumi na woto inde wose yu wa hayu wa esemo no wo sem friend nkan nwum papa inara nkanti bi ufre bibi adedem na ntiri ina bi na no wokaji na kwa pempra na mufra me ina etwede echi omame is mwetawo oma Daddy. Hey. Mon huru wenyim. Bere nsundo oda huru wenyim. Menyo wo nkomo. Oh, neda kada hi. Hemfa na neda ka hye. Mese neda ko hi, me bi so asam. Answer me. Andra, you see what normally happens to people who associate themselves with vagabonds. You see, now you become stranger for your own house. Your own house, you become stranger. Sometimes when you are, yesterday you sneak inside. Area thief. You see what become? Andra. Eh? That boy was paying that nature on more. Nyankwa knows what an Andra. Bibi so. You call him. I shall was upon Papa. Oh. I shall was upon. You went to that stupid boy house, didn't you? Eh? Nyankwa. Let me tell you. That stupid boy has nothing to offer you. Let me give it to you. He can never care for you as I do. Eh? Benina on my back and weapon it to come. Aqua, my day, I saw what I put foam, no only year. Then begin. Then begin. Begin in Mama. What the man should begin? Then Casafika cricket that our night. Our night. Biaba, no, not Biaba. One way you say, we have them now come Kamukin. Then the front Metina, Time I met TV for war to God bless our homeland, Ghana, Nina Nagufre Modufia. Yeah, Allah, assassini, I am bored and deal. What damn you, it's like GTV for one. One, no, I will frack it. A so called man, hey! In Cabin, Nato. Boy, Amoako, Amoako. Hey, Andra, that stupid boy. If you follow him, you'll see your end.
Daddy. AJ is not useless. And he is not a stupid boy. Daddy, do you know that he has a diploma in business administration? Very soon he will find a job. He will surely get a job.
Hi. What do you know about job market? What do you know about scholar? What do you know about a diploma? What are you seeing in Ukraine? And China, one. And chat, yet, Chong, the man Adam Kakankra, in Cos sister, or Wabrichiri, Adam Kakankra, Nankosa Quim, et to the fam, a fam being, et to fam, not fam being, not in a num. It's in a num, Wakanaka. Oh, boy, was that all night? All day. Dear Ban on your titty, no, your titty, no, you already that. Hey, Miss O'Neill, about to me, Fia. To tell the Cacoyabo.
Papa.
To tell the Cacoyabo.
Papa.
What's over him? To tell the Cacoyabo. To tell the Cacoyabo. Yes, some money. If all the was watching or Biala and Soja was at it. Mammy, Nasabako, I was Soja was at it. Or Bazoma, show. I will frap your Sopiagra with Sukoto, Motafum. Oh, Miss Sukoto, pay, not Tafum. Oh, Miss Sukoto, not a phone. Oh, I didn't sing. I mean, so the Danada. And you tell David, I'm not saying there was so no Bacassa. Me, them out back. Me, them out back. Mamma Benny was so I saw about Mamma Chudlady. Son of Adia Bumaba, or better than an uncle say what them, or better than an uncle say what them. May Dada, Yammy, may Dada, so rather Maga may Dada, I will frack a crabber, no, not. And son or bada. Aye. Metano, Metuno, may any say moi, the strong. Mamma, go, when I want to mention my permanent. Oh, Mammy. See, Andra, come on, you want it. A day, dear me, don't know. A day no friend on Sasha ni Dean's house. Or Juoti says you. No, we are not baptized, so they are so. Yentem my MP. Need you be back on a metie? One home. Tuntum say you. One home. What? I love you with all my heart. Come on, to mammy. Oh, old man. Be some old man. Be some mammy, you older. Miss Montula Waba. Oh. Yes, my friend. Maybe so some. Yes, my friend.
Say no usini akola. Yes,
Me be so wasem yi man no. Me see Yesu na me
me
wofa.
me me ho. Nya no pa we na me ko Sunday.
Wofa ne. Be so be Jesus ne ma me Mary onyim ne din. Abofra kakra be bo Sunday school na orugban. Yesu ne ma me mpo abofra enyim ne din motifia. Kacham la abofra onyim ne Yesu na me wofa ne Mary.
Yentete ba say you. Yentete ba say. Say say ntokwa bi ne wanya na anopent anopatutu say wen fifi.
Ene abofra nti na metin hantam no.
Enti dia na
me
be.
sira akom ne. Obana mo twinla nwoba. Obugwala mframa. Oban me say obugwala mframa. Obana.
Hey, semini.
Tema futu sam. Modaba. Tema futu sam. Tema futu sam na da chibi is abobra. Enne wiaza yawdaw. Inti infama sam ya wasam. Tema futu sam. Aya tema sam. Tema futu sam modaba. Tema futu sam. But my boy to from Tema futu sam na da chibi is abobra. Inne wiaza yawdaw. Inti infama sam ya wasam. Tema futu sam. Aya tema sam. Muban.
Mesraw. Say no. Tu semni ada akola ya mu say waje yensem a yentimika.
Mo twila nwa.
Na tuo na abetu ne de. Emmoa yen.
Mo twila nwa ba.
Emmoa yen mesraw.
Da batem kan ofia kim. Na mera paman.
Eye jana.
Pam lo gwe an we bedi manche na mera paman.
Eye. Mene ne bekasa. Je wo de jana.
Oba no yasero.
Jana ma me.
No yasero. Oh, raze oba no yasero dodo.
Mesraw jana ma me.
Mo twila nwa ba. Mr. Jonas. Akwaba. Abete, akwaba. See, man, I can't remember the mama. So, yes, sir. Thank you. Mr. Jonas. I'm paying for the winning show. He said, here's me a while in. Oh, if you want them, well, I'll be with your heart check. Another woman there.
Where do you go? Emu ansa na bebo man me be se mo hwe be se mo ti ka no
Rent you to here.
se mo be ka no be mo be ti me aka
So what's Mami
the late Jonas. So we na we win.
Dabi de wo twane akoti na mo chire be fie du na ele o mai
No tablet you know.
sa
On the belly. Mr. Jonas.
What dey
To be honest with you, there's some resemblance somewhere, but I can't figure it out. Oh, no, I'm going to school that. I'm going to school that.
Well, the teacher on the one co pension.
I'm going to school that.
Okay, enyavi se mo kai pra enyavi bona me am ban me friend Edmond
Junior Jones. Oh, nice one.
Sisi no waba se obidi akoma kakra na odi atuma nim se o be koso a na nka wonya no ho kafo bi ya oye oba ware no koya ko bepe esanse ho ma no ene ya mamene nsem se de sitete no ena ntiti am so me de tete no ha no eso hu se ansa no be wada nji so hu mi ansa no bai no am so hu se asu ni ebo so any dua e ben so
Ono chu.
ena do pa de ko so
Within abo.
I also a pilot.
oh sisi no ono na djuma wo kosua no se wo ye engineer na wo sua school no so wo e kuro bi a eno me be ka ye se mo so kuro ni dini o se pensi what is it?
Pennsylvania.
The Pennsy.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Oh, beautiful.
I want to say we graduate. You were full engineer. Oh, flight engineer. Yeah, just say. I want when you was say I believe a problem.
Oh, that's why a pilot.
Debi.
Ono ekuwa.
Debi pilot. The ono can look no. Pilot. Anyway, the engineer is she. A man didn't meet you on no.
Me say unya ali prene de pilot no bi nyina ye ni nyina. Hey,
e die no de on de unya ni paketo akra. Na e bay go many mo ase. E tim hwe se de akwane a wo fa so atete wo ma wono wo yidi mo tete mo ma. Amode anyam sem ene niema nyina ka bomu a nkode che se wo mo ye sonko okrom ha no. Na che se me ba na me di no be kire mu. Na se ke bi yi ne ka inya oba na ba ko.
Oh, Mr. Jonas. Oh, Mr. Jonas. Akasa. Ayade. You may be a call. Mr. Jonas.
Hello.
I'm Menya Papa. To be honest with you, I and my wife, we are very grateful. Nah, what's in there? Some papa, a dance pa. A lidi di femi na meyer na hie busina kakra be ho oye nhira dodo Sunday we adi mayewan mpenfa se na obi do wa na yo hu ho asama
o ka kire wo
na me somdi oye
sa
ntete pa na woda de shawbem
sa
no nyi be yo pan pa yare bo hu wa bana so mtakuru na abrante na esuma de hyana so oye nku asesam onye zehu ntemi me de suma pa na me de tetemamba da me yiri na so nyemen na asam kra kan menyu agen yi de wo ba ne se oraba na wa bo wulfi
sa
no da kwa buchi oyi nhira obronye de batum ka cha ne papa de dada are you stupid de oye dem abofo tum ka cha ne papa de dada are you stupid
so na ha wo no
oya normal wa buchi he ye bibirum hade ontedam
dabi
into wo de oye de edi suba pa intete pa na wa mambre edi batete oba na sa wo be we hunyansa na wo be fie na wa ba wala oyi nhira yanse ye boboan mo tin de baby ye dri unfortunately wom e wo de nyankopon odom he mo fra ma ebien Rowena na onye Andra sisi a America say de Rowena yame nhira no ona nuku ya we wa aye fro hira pem
wa na ka mo ho asem kakra na so wa fremi wa kan
Mr.
so anya fi
wiaden ya di bia no woda mama obi nanyi ohu wiase yesum wiase yesum na maban ona nuku sisi a wate njire sa abrochimem wo bo ho bra aka maba kakraban oba Andra na wo ho na magimeti de wo be nanyi oba Andra no ho usanda Andra ma ateten suma pa na o hyene mu usuro nyame okwasor
wono kura oba ye no na me didi nkomo no kan bibi fa no ho se wono kura o kan
no come here in the
now no musisa no no mu di agro mu nyina di agro bo
nice one
okay
inyi meba
oh yeah
inti so be wa ba asam papa ma sima me hero vibe oh nice one kache wa preach now push no we iya hun
Ukwa na ati ha uhisi za wani ajise.
Ganya from bia efede.
Na wanya ohu.
Oh.
Okay, Edmond Jonas.
Edmond Bear.
It's fantastic baby ani etino. Mr. Jonas. Ne baboy bi no. Adi ye no mfie bo ho.
Oh yeah, so na mama saw ne dia Edmond no kwa be chi da
ai wa ba
kai me woni kwa mi
bu a no so ope so be hu
na Edmond na say awo
so ne papa na bai na Edmond ni nati krom a mfie be adum yenu ni okọ ye so ye hoho
mame de mentia say Edmond ne papa be hwehwe me Edmond de mentia say Edmond the all of us bibi wo ma de kan ko che mama
bibi o de ye Edmond de ye duru ho na hu wo mo a ne wo ho no meka a kire de be sin ko hu
de me hwe misini
o de we enche wo be ba be hwe wa de sisia
He's always on TV.
Hey,
I'm Clinton.
Clinton, but not yet.
We'll talk about that.
Hey, is he a double treat, man? Oh, very interesting. Go ahead. My daughter. Oh, nice one. Oh, shut up. Shut up. What? Oh, economy safe no be fear. No be see that man. Mobotomin at the Jenya. Me fear sorba. Madam Bodan the king. Straight. No mention no way hand. Yeah. Me cat down the po me no ya biam kwan. Na mu ko me ba me nam dam. Ah. No we ada mbo we ya papa. Comfort. I'm comfort. No me. Soko.
yeah.
Iyana what dana machine we je bibi na mo fama ba no hwanyi ma ye kankan de. Endo a wo sisi nuado. Kwesi na wiabe. Too sure. Too sure.
And I do for so.
That's how I know walk at the school dem and order. Walk at the school dem and order. E pede wo ba no ho ye fe o ye kokoa. Hey, kwesi na wiabe. Ti we have na bodo. No de do. Only after church. After church. You are after church. Beautiful baby.
Oh papa wo wampa.
Mr. Jonas. Mo con straight. O Sunday we adem sachine nenyem da ho a wo morning.
Eh, mo bi no born nchen o.
Mo ma wo pen wo bo. Maybe Oni. Jonas. This is my daughter. Na nalo wo hey. Me the botu nenyem. Wo hye ne yenyem. Na no so wa kana adwen. Andra.
Daddy.
Abrenti osuwe inyimin.
Shani you.
No.
Inyimin. A can. Kaka wajin 14 years ago. Kaka no you dagro. Oh, no you dagro wa hwene mu kaka.
Kai, you know.
I know this man, Mr. Jonas. Yeah, I know him, but I can't really remember.
Mr. Jonas ne ba. Wa ko school papa. What's a woman? Ako school wa brochi. Pennsylvania. Ho no ko school. Oso pedo wa no. Iyi asembia le nyu. Kadate na yenko. Engineer.
Abanti oti we minim no. So to say den. So to say minim no.
Emi no yenyimin.
Missy yenyimin.
Ah, e ma sa na agakan.
Yenyimin.
Miss me new. Me ba, me ana.
Mr. Jonas ne ba. Nti ka bibi, ate.
Papa, so the mum penny for mo come ansem say. Ye nyina nkra ni mu ntutum kra. Okay. Mudama ka yo mate. Mama me mbre na me ndwe. I will think about it.
What you know?
Yeah.
Yentumi yamfa badam for mawo. Ne jama mo dwene ho I at the papa to them. The jama ko. Mr. Jonas, the bands when you don't cry on to drink.
I am the pa. A small kind. I am the papa. A mama, me the guaman. Say, and net a maya walk on the year. Can be fair with Jabba. Come on, the dimly can put air from. Come from no official and I'm one near Portomania to near Coba, said the Beman of Fabric and a bell castle. No way, the Anantiaba, walk as a man, Remo. Let you say, Comodan would answer papa. Now you're papa. I can't answer it. I mean, him said, oh, David, oh, yeah,
David, at the father, papa, David. Into Waboko, na Damakan, Papa, what you that's Munche Mr. Jonas. I was so abade a bacha ho mpo yehwe ai. It's a ho yehwe Andra.
A Parental to them.
Adendabna. A trouble, why something? Adendabna. A trouble, why something? Oh, no bushy. Bushy only a one, not only a young one. Eh? Let's your other man. I just ask a Brenton come.
Aja, the patron Michel.
Adendabna. A trouble, why something? Oh, Madame.
Aja,
Adendabna. Ratchet.
Oh, God, another. Opinion you feel. Opinion you feel. One of me, I am a plenty. Why do you with the penny? Why hinty? Let me tell you, yes, Quiano. I pay well, ever get hold of front Aja. When I am. Oh, how in it? Me on it.
Andra.
Never on your day.
Patron Madame for no.
We know one. For Chamayanga. For Chamadan. For Chamayanga. Number the Namama. Every brain of funny uncle in minimum. Eh? Every brain, not from a banana. Maybe so. I check. Watch it. Bring the food. I mean, I'm mammy. Yeah, one, Nathan. Eh? Catch it. Mele. Emi, Nana. Ya one, Nathan. No fun, Yadama. Bring the food. I won't see. The banana. Or so quelling, be a wild school. Papa be, Waba, don't call Baba one. Quite some pain to know, won't see. My banana with anything. I'm not wanting them come out. No more service will be. Now I want me. Look, or quarter what not to him. One me, look, quarter, I what not to him. In can't go to bed the way oh, 2 men are walking the Jadamadi that wash in me. Bye bye. Impediment. Shonan, show out a show. Show to me. Show up what you say. And rich no one see. Remember on Pedima. Here we. Where do you made it? Oh. May the dance, Mamma, may the dance. No one print you not to baby fear. Oh. What may not come in here? Maybe I'm made the dance. Maybe I'm made the dance. Oh. What a far punchy. What's it by a mini pair? What a far punchy. As a baby back, graduate. Quack, my young graduate, quack, impediment and no grammar. Mama,
yes, I'm in page, my pen, Yammy be. Miss Yammy Brennan Reply. Miss
Yammy, many better. Now, the barman, not to no cock, no guy more pair. No guy more pair. Young Opony Brenna, what's why I be the pan? No, and come. It come on, Kiratuaba. Young Opony Bear, I have been a pat to Sampara. No, we didn't wait and come. And come, show. Better team for force. Better team for force. The force. Try to see them, you'll be on the chow. Try to be on the chow. Come on, Apple quarter. We began it where we are to know what you want. What do you mean? I said, the boy came never. The boy came never. Maban, also your labor officer. Into the boy head man, Yadama. You know to cry, remember where we walk in town. Oh, the way to him. Moko, I like you not at Save your wife, baby. I like you not at it. But let me tell you, I like you to catch him. Mungo, baby, the banana up your Yadama. Ah, oh, no kukuhina. No kukuhina. No kukuhi. To remember who no one. Oh, the Brahmin and the mammy outboard.
na ye tumpon wa abrabom ya won som no ne nam ha na no ho wawin na adwele ihu no wo mo ho nti na mo bobra papa nti na wa ba fo mi onyim na ogun ayon mebe no onyim na ogun ayon apanchi ne photocopy na mbe ya kafe mai darasa oh rade mai darasa so ogun na mbe na idare do kachi bai hwe guzi nzama sika atabrachi robo walo ogun ne photocopy nti mbe ya ye kachi kan tutu mbe na abayedu kamtu se wo hinim na pe wachi na nkanda fo mkakra na so abayedu watem boko urade onfo ho ncho ko ogwen ko
Ndame pacho pesa mne kasi
e pamicho da mfo mba mo na kayan mape le pamicho de mfo mba mo na kayan mape ya da ma bread full kachi lididem ko
Ndame pacho Eja
adende bra
pacho
urade ma woni no ma ye na ntro mi di won kwa wo no mo ma wonen adende bra
na me mbe ni ko me nya juma ye bataro ma me nya juma ni dia ye
be ye juma ye John, we don't have
no fool. Shimmy. No fair. Baby, I'm Masa jai. Na kami nyere. We use simusa. Oh, me dey masa. When you Andrea and you can be na Andrea. Madam. So mami, o Castle Bridge ono. Na lumo so. So mami alumo 4. Na the Castle Bridge 2 I want my wife. So ala ina me trip buta. Na ensanum basa sara senze. Ya betina wadi alumo 4. Onsam na walumo 4. Na ene mi ko. Ale. So woni mi a ka bobura mo tiati na me ka chi. Ede na hawa obura mo tiati. I'm in a very big shit. Serious. What is the shit? Tell me, how big is that shit? This time around, it's a very, very big one. Why has Andrea left you? Oh, forget about Andrea. Forget about her. That's not the issue. So what is it? Like do the big grand Simon. Could you imagine, say, my own mother, my own biological mother, threatens to throw me out of my own father's house. All because of my joblessness. Can you imagine this?
Anything mommy for thoughts, but mommy for one say. Or the way back can one just okay, can't 10 or 12.
Marcus.
No. Osika, I understand your plight. Okay? You are my brother. I will do everything in my capacity to help you. There is no need you drinking too much like that.
Marcus, you better do something fast. You know, maybe I'm not dreaming. Maybe I'm not my car could do say. No crow. But you say, and I'm a call. Andrea Fee. Mas I say when you so catch it. Seriously,
why are they?
Ne papa.
Woman be na ni tiro shan.
Masa, serious. O so bucket power the boom of your knees. Because I'm now so. I better me member. Marcus, you know how badly I need this job. Huh? You are the only person that I can count on. Huh? Marcus T. Cecilia Miss Row. So what Mohammed dear Massa? The criminal is so any tia.
I still have some of your CVs with me, right? Very good. I'll see what I'll do. I'll get in touch with my managers and then give her some of the CVs so that she would help you out.
Really?
At least she could contact some of her friends and then I've told you relax. Osika Mimiano.
You say we are near be man, but sadly we can't do your mammy. In fact, it's only the palm. I come in the house.
I will try.
Don't just give her the secret, please. Tell her how badly or how important I need this, please. Let's have a milk brum in tea.
Oh, here.
I'll find you, Mr. Roman, if I remember.
Me deceiving the man. What I say? You man, they definitely will have coming.
Here Jonas.
Akaba.
Mala madrasi kamera boho.
Sawa.
Yes of when I'm rock already, yes of which way to coin. Wala saba umdoyi. Send them. So what are you? Nash mother one shot more. If you're you crack, the will turn a mother. Yeah, I was a cannon. Akaba.
That too.
And pays when you say.
So, I'm saying, you buy Edmond. Me no be din komo fa adra. Na mo say yemma mumre kakra na oni akoda ne nkuta. Ehwe ni kakra, em say be da ne numni. Ese akoda no ne mra so baaye no. Ya aso. Yes so ko holidays kakra no baaye. Fe ahobwa nso so ya boa ye ho pa. Esan say ono me last born. It is me
last born.
Yeah, me man near me bia ohia bia. One battles wo dey be so buy.
Oh.
It ya wade no mu aye no aye. Me dem say dey. Mo aye bibia wie. Ahoboa so ya boa. Aka ne makakra dey be to so. Unse won pa boa kra me be busa o say size be na o he.
Yo.
Is it me date no. Just be ya dey no. Na bia na mamre kwan so. Oh, ye fancy na msumi ya santini. Bia na baby e kroso kakra. Na kada. Wodi be mai na fe.
Yo.
Ye nyina hie biem.
Man come sampa.
Yo.
Mami mete. Mami, ble mete.
Na mami wapaje nu kakra na.
Mami mete. Me yutu we. Emete me yimi da mai obone. Eje Jonas, musu ye. Musu na ni pelu.
Na le boy Yesu.
Musu. Emeti me nyime da my obonate. So to the meza. Ura bacham.
Na dey.
Bacham, oni mani ne ye boy ni da bu kurase. Bacham.
Wo ba na wu na.
Ura je we wu pa ka mese ka.
Na fi dey.
We wu pa ka masu majom.
Oh,
You to ya. Mammy way.
No, I don't know, Mammy.
The mammy way. The mammy now shasa, I would very afraid. Now shassi. Sunday school teacher be not done, the mammy, a son of me and I want. Sunday school teacher be not done, mammy, or your papa and me and Wallen. Ha! Oh, but how about one of them? Oh, I want one. Cigar. Remember, we're turning aqua as well from a Andra or Andra with ya. Hey, then you be a papa. Son of my middle, you. Someone know. I brand Sebi. I brand Sebi on the Mano. I brand some question paying to be. No cucumiro, grain, or grain. Or so said to Lowa when it's a call. Oh, my brother, one year. A man no song great appetition. Them you pass or bear muscle. Them question paying also bear muscle. Mumma die, but
I will be a jack.
oh. Trouble, the cancer and Mondo Moon Grand. It's my name at the bro. Question baby. Mammy Fufu, my beautiful. Capra Quenchal. Fufu Quenchal. Best food. But see, coming from Adam Ponda, Nandra, con Canama Medium. Canama Medium. The cupboard, oh, Miguel and Mammy the near woman. I come out for Najasi. Madutana, Boko, Abujelmala, Nakakra, Onyandra. Oh, no, I don't want Nantuala, Madame Nantu Abu Frewo. If you have been busy, my uncle made you in a party. You don't mind me also. Tell them a boda, Casha, Boda. Me pay as I may piano quack. Every hand. Oh,
Yes, plain take it out. We know ye any andran and banu in Amoako.
Yaka no worry me, Yaka no worry me. Remember I was a vegetarian can, the manco was a bit of worry me. Hey, I mean, some more pamu, queen, another million there. Then I'm man, I want him to no, they done the afraid Uncle Potter to grow up for Biaco. Some of them better mwazi. What put a good for Frago? Better mwazi. I tell us I am a friend with you, baby. So, what's so no? So, shaky no. So, down there no. I didn't go to the Ben. Now, you don't go to the Brent to question paying and none who grand. I am a language in your being. I'm Mura. A seminary mobile.
Oh, I didn't have
Ah!
yes, I'm crying.
Yeah, let down the communion. Come on, boo. Let down the communion. Can there? Come on, boo. Hey, communion. At number you. I'll go home. Some of them are number one. Let them do communion. That's a bit. Come on, Gumemas in there. Andra,
I said, you are not married.
Sir, my man, oil one.
Sir, just
and Sassy,
actually,
Merba Dumba,
actually, Bobia,
Merba Dumba, Andra, my dear, me.
Mam sister said, Koran, then I know. What you done, I said,
I am the person about now with you. Condemn go you are. You are. Okay, Pajano. Okay, Pajano.
If you are blessed or call people.
Okay, Pajano. I bring some question pain to be a maybe winning. Bondom. Bondom. Sanama mean or you. Sabo Fernando Subeno mean to mention it. What's some child back on yet? Oh.
And the print ticket. Yeah, the one name. Mammy. I mean, I couldn't.
Say, Monica.
I'm the member who sound Papa.
You, Maca. It's the Andre. It's a member of Massett Semana that the man no make them confuse you. With your print ticket. My first time in the air. My first time in the air. And Mama happened. My first time in the air. That people will see me flying. I will go United States of America and come back as a Hamburg burger. Oh goodness, Andra. This guy. I have to condemn this guy. Ora, let me get you. I want to hear you. Ate, let me get you. Oh, you show me. Oh, you show me.
I'm a sacred.
It will be a beautiful experience in my life. Being in a Kellam, I'll tell you, going to the United States of America. Oh my goodness. I can even see bush. Oh, and advanced bush. But you know some pain into my banana. But you know some pain into Andra, Missy, Mutulan Waba. Let me get you. Mutulan Waba, Andra, Obo Guanam Frama. Andra, Mr. Bogwana from I said, your mass here to a good base swap. I come like a chicken. Then go open and away time, no waste of a pine. Baby.
Can I help you? Pacho, good morning. Do what I remember, Pacho, come and pay you my cacra. You may be anyhow. Madam, so I meet you one up, MC Brown. So, I'm a catcher or say, Juma. Said him if you has a neat fay. A Juma, a Juma be anyhow. A Juma anyhow. Pacho. So my pledge, my brother, Mr. Woman, Mr. Why? I don't cry me do. Me send him catch you. I'm so. But I will my wife. Why? Send him catch. Hey, me see a Jumani ha. I'm a happy piece. You cry, are they? Sorry. Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome. Thank you. Oh, where did me drive for a man on a J? Hi. No, mommy changing on for Dabi. Now, cross on my car, Canada. Oh, Mamma, but so do me call saying, sir. She. When you call Uncle Driver, sir. Man, I saw one want to make fun of driver, sir.
Baby girl, you look so cute.
Thank you.
So what are you doing here?
I just came here to buy some drinks.
Girlfriend, you went to London and we never heard from you.
Oh,
that was not fair.
I'm so sorry, baby girl. But now, I'm trying to see if I can find myself a good job. But if I don't, I'll just go back to London.
Come on, girlfriend. Don't you say that. It's good to work for your country.
Yeah? What about you? What do you do?
Well. I'm not doing bad. I work for one company as financial advisor.
Oh, that's good. All right, baby girl. Let me have your card so that I can pay you a visit.
And let me have yours too.
All right. Of course, I will give you mine.
Don't forget to call me.
Oh,
You know that we have a lot to catch up, you know.
Oh, yeah? Spread me, baby. Give me a hug. Oh, I'm trouble, baby girl. All right. Bye-bye. And be a good girl, okay? Bye.
Bema we de seminya no a hwe frantoma no odenden hu ne ntuma fra kora ne mawu ama bema na ne nam a obia hu no no atu nani no hwe no bema we de nya na ma ne nkoda bema na ti koti se obia anim ni e wo se bisuso ni mu e bi se wo ye bema kentin kapa ni
Madam Pacho yenkoi. Pacho asembi ohana. Abasi. Don't be getting on one.
Honey, why didn't you inform me you have gotten a job?
Well, maybe you know what? It was below my standard. That is why.
Sweet love, it doesn't mean you should keep it from me, does it?
Well, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I promise I will not hide anything from you, okay?
So, what do you do?
Well, I work as a personal driver to the owner of the company.
That's okay, at least for the meantime. But you will have to keep this job until you find a better one. Guess what?
What?
I said, guess what?
Listen to me. You better tell me. You know, I'm not good at guessing. You know that.
Well, okay. My sister and her husband sent me some money. So, I brought you half of the amount, which is $750.
What? Baby, why will you give me this much? Why?
They gave me 1,500. So I decided to give you half of it.
Jesus Christ. Baby, why do you love me this much? Why?
Why all these questions? Well, I was actually thinking of something. I want us to save this money so we can use for our wedding. You keep yours and I keep mine.
Well, that is good. Not a problem. Thank you very much. Okay. And Jessica, promise to never let you down, okay?
Okay.
I love you, okay?
I love you too.
I'm happy, baby.
There are angels watching us, angels of darkness, angels of light, angels.
Okay. That's my angel. You know what? You know what?
What?
I'm very, very happy. Very, very glad I can afford to take you out now.
Darling, I'm also happy for you. I'm happy that you have a better job now.
But you know what? Baby, if I may ask, what did I do to make you fall so much for me? What did I do? Tell me.
Do you really want to know?
Of course I want to know, baby.
Okay, I will tell you.
Yeah, I'm listening.
It's your humility. You care about me. You're so cute. So sweet like honey. Romantic. Wait. You are also good in bed.
Can't be serious, baby.
Well, I will simply say you are an angel.
You know what? You are equally beautiful. You are equally beautiful and charming. And moreover, you are also good in bed.
Guess who I saw today?
Excuse me 1 minute. Hello? Yeah. Okay, I hear. I'll be right there. Okay.
Who was that?
It's my madam. She needs me urgently. Seriously.
What? So soon?
You know, baby, I would like to leave before your father comes in, okay? But all the same, you had a nice day.
Ashana. Hey! Befro, Ashana. Hey! Menti mo nsure nyame. Hey! Menti bebrebe na mo bu na chi na nsure nyame. Sisi ade. Anta. Wankasa be me amboa no, sam go ho, meni ho. Libubu adwaman, go mi mefie. dwamane edu me fia ha ashana yi lintum fan na adam lintum fan na adam e ka fa makajas mpo mpo e ka fa net betina ha to egba ogwan otro yi odo kon mi aka fa da to kon wusu hu dam idi na chiro ogwan a wade ne kwaman yanka jom ehu ne sasoda
Papa fe me say we old school we chem we a silver top a new lantern she ni shoe she kala no e ma cheap what's the way I be don't him say we 1961 1911
and me 1960 na me 1960 pa me 1960 pa sam wo form she abrentati order nanto papa abrentati order boy life abrentati order boy life life for one more no life abrentati ogina we no life I am yada mawo dan chamba nanso wa no ensipo mawo dan chamba nanso wa no ensipo ojimfo ogina we ne kukurinti okanwi abini eyi na ponchin difference bi ayi eyi na ponchin ewi atedam maka atwa da abufre ye wi abufre ne waka no so we when you washing bay edwuma kakara ya enwode na ewi na akọ odi na ewi na akọ odi na ewi na akọ kali obi ne kala kali obi ha nento wo so aban ha bibi so asam ne sutade wo papa na onyo kasa nka be sutade nti so aban kura hwe Ghana electricity ho kala o de wi yi Ghana electricity 9219 ekowe papa ne kala hwe waja adam mfa me na adam mfa osofia adenda mpapa da hwiram me maame da hwiram ewin kakranka no ye na ye kan krom ha ye kan na wanten ewode do akasim fia kan mfa kan no renadin kaman fia mfa kan no renadin kaman ewi kan mesi oya kono hwe kan mesi oya kono se prepare hwe na kala mekara boy you kala okowie mekara chamu na kala boy okowie kali okowie damadi ontumto anu watan esikafu anu watan ontumto inya do botu ato kali
papa na do tuni perfume na gu
ihwe wi odehu se hwe wi odehu ogwan atedam hwere kokumi ona apanchi difference bi anyi akafa ntunochi mono ban obi hu lati kali mu membi so wansana so obi hu lati kali mu da don menye me gwase wasanda wo dress na digina we awu na nkrofu a wagina ngina bantuma hwe wo fa from wo do okodemi difference bi anyi edwamanfo wa atare na ohye we edwamanfo wa atare edwamanfo wa atare na ohye we obi na wata sakala ne zampa nke bohura na wata bi bono sakala ne za nke bohura na wata bi bono wana hona he bi nyina ho ewi ana wata dimpo Mrs. Amochina ne wura ba reporter na me da na wata me da allegation me da support a reportment me da na wata ba allegation na me da support kale ya ne da okowie wura ti yankopon me bebe dem me bebe dem
this is old fashioned wait
me bebe dem owo
don't mind him
mafa monko baba to mo ha owo
okay
owo baba to fio owo baba to fio bra se fio na baba bra
Apartment ni o. Fia na ma ma o ni. Eje hanyi na wo. Eje o do mo ku me. Eje o ja je sere me. Eje. Eje wo ku me. Eje wo ha ba ni o. Nina your dear. I do tell you, see, me am to stand. So, a JB or happy eye, oh dear, a JB do, a JB do on Casa. It will be a say, a day for Mamma, what? For Mammy, what? You would drink us and Casa money. Now, when you be piano, a Jamie Jones. Money and let it, and I dear, Mammy, they have a show, I made your Amoako. Me do call me uncle Tiano. As a young man on Conoa.
Some people probably think I am insane. They think it's all a game and I should play along with them. I'll stay the same and will not even change. There's time for every single thing. Time to play and time to work. Will not change cause I am.
See how to make that. Ali, easy. I feel so say Jack. A JC camper. Some catch you say, Charlie. I see a boo quay. So that's it. You push you qua. Hey, Charlie, none of them must say. Oh, dog me. But apartments now may be here. When do you come on? Listen, this is just the genesis. By the time you reach Malachi, because this pepper is hot. I'm telling you. What's it called? Share. Well, be person I do know when I say, oh, Charlie. Guess and tell me. Andrea. Masa you did come on, you come was a member. For Andrea, 20 and you come.
And I want to be your yak, Andrea. Catch me. When did you
Listen, I will tell you. It's Miss Claudia Kumsin.
No, AJ, you are kidding me.
Now don't you never many now. Trust me.
Jessica, trust me now. Hey,
Serious.
Charlie. I don't know what the conditions be can one. I didn't know also. Driving kekena or driving man.
You one actually. Because of my baby, maybe this channel. They say action speaks louder than words. You know, but the bruises.
Osika, no, you are lying.
That's me now.
No. Be very honest with me. Is it true?
Only to say me dinner when I'm sick.
And you also agreed to that.
Then you came to see my apartment. So you don't. I don't need to explain things too much.
Jessica, what happens to Andrea now?
You know, Ajay is in to make his wealth. And really, I will sort her out later. That's what Tim say.
Ajay, are you okay here?
You are correct.
No, Ajay, you are mad.
Thank you very much.
You are standing here telling me, say you are there to make your wealth and you will sort her out later.
That's it. There you
No,
go.
but Ajay, have you just forgotten
Ajay,
that this girl rejected 2 men from abroad just because of war? And then you are telling me you would sort her out later.
listen, Ajay saw Tim say, if we are sick of the man, I also call him.
Ajay, we are.
Marcus, if we are sick of the man,
No,
now also call him. So, Masa, gone are the days. Let's see a movie forward. Huh?
Now listen, Ajay. When the whole world rejected you, it was this girl who picked you up, fed you, clothed you, and then look at what you're telling me.
What are we fighting for in the world? In this world, what are we fighting for?
Ajay,
Huh?
we are bodies, Madame for power. But this one, count me out. I don't want to be part of it. Please.
Marcus, hold on. This is man-to-man affair. This is man-to-man affair. You have to understand me. And I say, tell you, or you have a different feeling for it. Tell me. Yes, what you must say. I see a coin. We are Tanasa.
No, Ajay. Me having feeling for Andrea, you are mad.
I didn't have a second.
You are mad. If I should stand here or sit here with you the next 5 minutes, I'll start slapping you around. What botamo? No. Take this from me. It is very, very wicked on your part to do that.
You little children of little faith. You're making a big noises, Andrea. Shit.
baby girl.
Ada me go so. Shall we go?
Why are you sounding like this, baby?
What am I sounding like? Huh? How do you expect me to sound when you have totally abandoned me?
Baby, what do you mean by that? Eh? What do you mean by that?
You don't make time for me? No cause. In fact, you have really abandoned me.
Baby, why are you talking like this? You know you are all that I need for baby. Huh? Please.
That was then. But now that you have enough and you can afford to buy yourself expensive things, you don't give a damn about me. Do you care about me?
Baby, calm down, okay? Baby. My inability to make time for you bothers me too. But you know what? I've got a good news for you. Hmm?
What better news?
I have found a new job. And this time, I'm going to make a lot of time for you.
A new job?
Seriously?
Where?
In a big company in Takoradi.
Takoradi? What?
You know, when I leave, I'll make sure you are there with me because the salary is huge. In fact, very, very attractive. Baby, I don't like the look on your face. Why? Is this not what we have been praying for? Huh?
Yeah. I understand you. But the fact that I won't see you bothers me.
Baby, listen to me. Listen to me. You behind me, I have no problem. You behind me, I am very, very okay. Huh?
So when are you leaving?
I say next week.
Oh my God. I'm going to miss you.
You know what, baby? I'm going to miss you too. Seriously. I'm going to miss you too.
Sally, baby.
Andra, my baby girl. Give it to me.
It surprises me. I never thought you would visit me this early.
Yeah? That's me for you.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make up for all the days that I lost. Hey, where were you last Thursday? I came here and was told you were absent. Where did you go? Tell me, I want to know.
Well, girlfriend, I went to visit my boyfriend for the last time.
Why? What's up with your boyfriend?
He got a job in Takoradi and he has left me all alone. Oh my God.
Don't worry, baby girl. I will keep you company.
Really?
Oh yeah. Has reminded me of what happened in my house a few days ago.
What is it?
My mother was making love with a driver.
Jesus Christ. Would she stoop that low?
Baby girl.
Oh my God, we live in a crazy world.
That happened about just 2 days ago.
So what did you tell her?
Several efforts to get her to forget about the man has proved futile. So I have decided to forget about it.
What's the name of that driver?
Why? She didn't really mention his name to me. She just said this is my new driver the day she did the introductions. Yeah. And now she calls him Honey.
Honey?
Baby girl.
Wait. How does he look like? Tall, handsome, or cute? Why?
Is your boyfriend missing?
Nah.
I thought you just said he's going to Takrady.
You know, it surprises me. I was just trying to figure out something. What would your mother be doing with a driver? No?
Well, he's on some. But baby girl, let's forget about this. Let's change the subject.
Marcus, he doesn't care about me anymore. He never calls and I can barely reach him when I called. What is happening? I'm so worried.
No, Andrea. What do you mean when you say you barely reach him when you call?
It's either his phone is off or he never answered. Marcus, could it be that he has found another woman in Takrady?
Now sit down, okay? Sit down and stop crying. I can't really tell. But Andrea, Ajay really loves you. And he knows how much you also love him. Okay? Please stop crying. I am sure wherever he is, he knows that. Stop it, okay? Stop crying.
I thought he loves me. Until his recent behavior. Oh my God, I'm scared.
Andrea, Ajay loves you. You know how much I feel when I see you crying like this. Stop crying, please. Now wait, Andrea, let me give you this address. I hope you know South Sontreso. Do you know South Sontreso? Now when you get to South Sontreso, just ask of C7, okay? Find C7. There is something important you can find there, okay? And stop crying.
Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.
Please, don't forget to tell him what I said.
I will tell him.
Tell him that I love him.
He knows you love him, okay? Stop crying, okay? And then you hold it, okay? Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Hey! Jessica! Take away your palm. You want to say someone would. Jesus Christ.
Takrady na okram so okone. Anase you Takrady for bi okumasi. Hey! Ajay, how could you?